All right, everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. I'm actually extremely proud of my Discord members, Patreon members, YouTube paid members. All of you are awesome, amazing. Every single day, it just never ceases to amaze me. I'm not shocked anymore. I know you are all smart. You're all amazing. It's just unbelievable. Every single day, these people come up with all the traders that are in my community, in our community, come up with amazing picks every single, almost on it has to be almost every single day, right? It's amazing. In this video, we're going to show you 4 stocks called out today as early as 4:30 a.m. and going forward, and all of them were called out and alerted way before they would take off, right? And that's 4 stocks that took off today, big time. But on our Discord, on my Discord community called Bull Market Watch, we knew about them ahead of time. And I'm going to share this with you and also give you my opinion on what I think about some of them. Maybe they'll have another run. Sometimes it's not over. I mean, if you looked at KALA, ticker symbol, that also ran for, 3-4 trading sessions. And also stay tuned later during the day. I'm going to have a video coming out here on YouTube that will have to do with a stock that is just around... let me just not say the price, but it is a stock you will want to know about. I'm not telling you that you should buy it, but it's a stock you will want to know because it is potentially on the brink of curing a specific type of cancer that has no cure so far. There's big insider buying on this. All the catalysts for this stock are coming up in 2023. The FDA is favoring this stock. They're loving the clinical trials so far. It's already in phase 3. They're almost done with it. It's all pretty much all over. And this stock is probably, if all goes well, will explode big time in 2023. I'll have a video about that later on in the day. All right, so let's get started with a word from Bull Market Watch and get to the 4 stocks.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
All right, everyone. First thing I want to mention, this is a screenshot of my Discord earlier today, conversations and so on. I do want you to please pay attention to one thing. The times that you see here, this is the post that I made. It says today at 3 p.m. That's from Discord. Whenever you write something, you leave a message, Discord automatically puts the time that you left that message. The 3 p.m. is not right. The 3 p.m. is Greek time because I'm in Greece. So it does put 3 p.m. because that was the time when I was typing in Greece 3 p.m. But it's actually 8 hours back, that specific time. So if we go 8 hours back, that's 2, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. All right. It was about 7 o'clock, 7:30 in the morning, around there in the U.S. And if you were in California, even earlier than that, right? I don't know, 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning. So that's the time when I left that post. I left that post, let's say 4 o'clock in the morning in California, 7 o'clock, 7:30 in New York time is when I left that post. So very early, pre-market hours, before the regular markets even opened, I left a post and I said, with a siren, they know if I leave a siren, that means this is more than likely a buy. JSPR, Jasper Therapeutics, announces positive clinical data from a phase 1/2 trial, and so on and so on. And I tell them that the current price, as you can see here, I told them currently trading at 83 cents, right? So that was that, at 83 cents. What happened to that stock later in the day? It went to $3 from 83 cents when the alert fell on my Discord, when people on my Discord knew about it, and everything that there was to need to know and make a decision. It was at 83 cents, and Jasper Therapeutics Incorporation then went on to $3. Now, of course, after I left that alert, there was more talk about it. I can't put all the whole conversation, but yeah, so that's that. You would have known about this from 83 cents today. It went to $3. Next is KPRX. KPRX. Actually, in KPRX, ticker symbol KPRX has been a talk on my Discord since back in September. So it's not something new. But today, two people on my Discord, Auntie, Didik, both of them alerted very early. And I see here it says 8:23 p.m. That's go 7 hours back. Very early, very extremely early. The alert came out about KPRX. Auntie was kind enough to leave us the news, what's going on and why we should look at it. And then during the day, Didik says, "Look at this. It's halted and it's taken off." But when he did say that, for example, let's say you had, you didn't notice Auntie's before pre-market hours, but you looked at it during regular hours. And you looked at Didi's, let's say, alert. It was at 3:32, as you can see here, at 3:32, halted and alerted, right? It actually opened up again at 3:45, and you still had time, right? Because then it went to $4.13. I don't know as I'm doing the video if it went higher or lower, but it did reach 413. The other one is ATNF, which again, that one has been actually a talk on my Discord since way back in September. But just some recent posts about this was one yesterday on my Discord by Anthony about ATNF. Says, anyone have any idea about ATNF stock? It is halted in Robinhood at 329 by the checking NASDAQ and so on. The talk about ATNF has been in my Discord since September. Then Robbie states down here that he's getting in ATNF at 347. And then I say I'm going to take a quick shot at ATNF at 346 if it falls that low. Currently was because when Robbie got in at 347, I didn't get in. Then he went to 362, and I said, if it goes back to 346, let's say, I'll get in. But it never did. It was currently trading at 362 when I left the post. It went higher after that to reach $4.94 as I'm doing this video right now. Actually, it went over $5. And I don't know when when this video is uploaded on YouTube. I don't know what the price will be, but that's that. So again, another stock way early. Could have known about it. Or how about this one right here, early pre-market hours. This is me letting people know on my Patreon, which if you're in my Patreon, you also have free access into Discord. But on my Patreon, I say to people that, you know what, it's spiking right now. We're talking about ticker symbol GROM, and it was currently trading at 176 as I was typing this message. And I said that if it falls to 162 to 170, anywhere around there, 162 to 170, that I would buy it and day trade it. Well, I bought it at 170 and was able to sell it at $2.56 in $2.56 in pre-market hours. So from 170 to sell during pre-market at $2.56, I actually made $511 profit on that right away, early pre-market hours before the market's even open. To make $500, I think that's awesome. And then during the day, it fell and then went back up to 190 as I'm doing the video. So overall, those are four amazing stocks, amazing picks that were all alerted, and we knew about them ahead of time before they would take off. And all four of these, either one, whichever one you would have chosen, let's say to get in, you would have made money. Of course, on my Discord, no one, including me, is, we don't tell people what to buy, right? We share ideas. We say that, we may say that I'll get in at that for this reason and that, but I will never turn around and tell someone, take your money and put it there, nor will any of my members. Obviously, that's up to you at the end of the day, but my Discord is here to provide a ton of information, help each other out, learn how to trade. That's the whole point, and just being a great community. And it's amazing. We finished 2022 just out of my picks that I made, my 2022 picks, about 85% of them or higher had been sold profitable in 2022. And already 2023, I start off 2023 already with the first trading day of 2023 with $511 profit right away in the morning. And then I also bought Pinterest, which I will intend to hold, and I have no worries about that. I do believe it's going to go higher. So right off the bat, starting off 2023 with great, really good way. So that's that. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you all the best. If you want to join Bull Market Watch, the link will be in the comment section below, and take care, everyone.